Hello! In this short tutorial, we'll take a quick tour through an existing WonderLogix Studio project. We'll construct a logic sentence using words and automatically generate PLC code. We are constructing a model representing the control system of a pumped hydroelectric storage facility. During the night, this system pumps water from a lower reservoir to an upper reservoir using low-cost electric power. During the day, the water flows back to the lower reservoir through a turbine, generating electric power back to the grid. We have a P&ID of this facility where we can identify the equipment. Let's see how the control system is modeled in WonderLogix Studio. We'll follow 3 simple steps. 1. Identify the system components and add them to the model, while grouping them to modules. We can see that the module pumping system consists of a water pump and a discharge valve. In our model, the pumping system consists of a water pump only. So let's add the valve to complete the model. 2. Define the interface of these components. Every component can receive commands on one hand and send requests or reports about its internal state on the other hand. Let's think what we can ask of the valve to do. It's clear. We'll add an open input. 3. Define logic sentences to connect the components through their interface. Logic sentences define how the system behaves. Let's complete the missing logic in our example, defining when to open the discharge valve. In order to prevent backflow through the pump, it is required to open the valve only when the pump reports that it's on. So let's open the logic editor. We get 2 options. In this case, we want to open the valve, so the first sentence is the appropriate one. Open discharge valve. Only while, correct, and here we get several options too. Choosing the water pump gives us the correct condition. Water pump reports on. That's it. The logic is registered and we can move on. In the following videos, we'll show you how to link the signals to the physical I/Os, how to simply create state machines, how to measure time and count events, and much more. But for now, let's jump to the end and see how PLC code is automatically generated. We simply choose File, Export to PLC, and after a moment, get an L5X file. Opening it in Studio 5000 shows our code in the exact structure as defined in the model. Let's take a look at the logic we defined together. We see the English sentence as a comment and the translation to ladder logic. The highest value of WonderLogix Studio becomes apparent with logic phrases like, operate the pump with minimal working hours. Want to know how to construct them? Go on to the next lessons to see some more interesting stuff. Good luck from the WonderLogix team.